Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video about something I ran into on my Rubicon 392 that might apply to anyone who owns the JL model Wrangler. When I bought this used about 5 months ago, we were doing an oil change. When we did the oil change video, me and my brother noticed the rear passenger side bump stop is pretty chewed up. The bump stop is what keeps your shocks from over compressing. It sits on the rear end of the frame, keeps the rear shock from over compressing. It also helps absorb some of the jarring motion if you are to bottom out the axle. But we noticed the one on here on the Rubicon 392 is torn up. I mean, the previous owner must have thought this was a TRX and tried to jump it, because you really got to get it really bouncing hard in order to A, fully compress this axle, and B, to tear up this Jounce bumper. I mean, it's all chewed up. Now, I went to order a new one of these. I went to the local Jeep dealership and they looked up the VIN. I had the VIN and they gave me this Jounce bumper. Now you can see these two don't exactly look alike. This one's got this black plastic ring around it. I mean, they're roughly the same size. It just kind of confused me. I was thinking I got the wrong part here. But I did notice in a recent video of TrailRecon, where he went to the Jeep factory, that this is the one they're putting on the new JLs in the factory. I happened to notice it in the video, which is kind of comical. I was like, hey, I see the ring on there. So this must be the actual part, which is part number 68572465AA, whereas the old part number is 68251636AA. So I was kind of curious, like, do I have the right part? Do I not? Does this have the wrong part? When I look up this part number, the only thing I found was you can buy these on Amazon. It says it goes on a JK Wrangler. But I think what it is eventually I found the new part number with a picture of the old one on a Mopar parts wholesaler website, and it happened to say that this replaces this part number. So apparently they came out with a new design for the Jounce bumper for whatever reason. Like, I don't know what the purpose of that black ring is. It's like a plastic ring. I don't think you can really take it out. It's on there. I mean, it probably goes through one of these little ribs, but maybe it's more rigid, more durable. But either way, the other one on the other side is still this variety, so I'm gonna have mismatching bump stops. But oh well, I mean, how big a deal can it be? It's just a Jounce bumper, right? I don't know, we'll see. Gonna go ahead and install this on here, but just wanted to make a video about this. Somebody else might be wondering about it as well, or may not know which one to order. The thing is, if you get it, enter it by the VIN number, it'll bring up this part number, the one ending in 2465AA, and don't be surprised when it doesn't look like your old one did. Good as new, ready to rock and roll. Sorry about the focusing issues, but just know that if you order one of those new Jounce bumpers, that it is the correct one. It looks different, it's designed different, but I believe it'll serve the same exact purpose. It might even be more rigid or more durable than the previous and won't be susceptible to cracking or breaking like the other one did. Anyways, that's all for now. Hope you found this useful, and we'll see you on the next one.